Hello everyone, my name is Fajar Haiqal. My nickname Fajar. I am 21 years old. I am freelancer graphic designer and I am from Garut. My hobby is drawing and learning design about illustration, logo design, and landscape design. Oh yeah, if you need logo or illustration, please leave message in here and please visit my dribble account in here. In this video, I will show you how to create isometric design using Adobe Illustrator CS6. This tutorial very easy and let's go. When working on isometric design, we don't only need to create 3D object but also place two-dimension object such as the text, icon, and more. I will create the font isometric design using rectangle tool. Okay. Okay, looks really good. Copy and place the shape and resize to small for the screen. Change the color to white solid. I think resize again. Okay, looks so really good. And I will create the button for the home button with the ellipse tool. Okay, resize, copy and paste for the camera and copy again and paste again for the place. I think resize again to small, select and change the color to dark. Okay, in this screen I will create the wallpaper. I will create the two mode using pen tool. Yes. Okay, change the color. Okay, change the color. Copy and place the mountain and send to back and resize. Okay, resize again. Okay, copy the screen, Ctrl C and place the screen and select the screen and mountain and go to the Pathfinder and click. Okay. I will create the top screen, create the date and time, 9 o'clock, and resize 24 and copy and place time and edit day January, resize to small, I think 8 small, and now resize again to 7. Yes, Okay, I think looks really good. This one finished, and I will transform the font to isometric. I will using action for the transform the isometric font. Please select all the font and click the action and select the top. Yes, no, I think top. Yes, look, and next copy and paste and arrange to back and change the color to dark. Okay, looks really good. Select all. Nice. I will click the background for the font, new layer, and click the shape. Okay, change the color. Okay, copy and place the wallpaper, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and change the color to white gradient. Okay, okay. Next step, I will click the column for effect, and I think copy the background, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, convert to the column, object and path, split into grid, the row, I think 6, and the column number of 6 again, and OK. Change the color and add stroke. No. Yes. No. I think stroke 1. Okay. Select all stroke and change the color mode into overlay. Yes. No. Select again and transform again with action. Yes. Besides the column. Okay, I will add text for the design. This text isometric isometric the second, and create outline, convert to outline the text. Change the color to white, and color mode is the overlay again. Yes. I think I will click to new font and select font and copy and paste again, resize to small. Okay, finally this isometric design font by Fajar Haiqal. Thank you for watching.